Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I want to take you guys to the one of the biggest meat markets, one of the biggest slaughter here in Lagos. We normally buy meat from there, and I just want to show you guys around to show you what it looks like in case you would like to buy from there. So let's get going. So we are here at the meat market. See, can you see that smoke? That's where the killing is going on. So let's get going. This is the slaughter. I wasn't able to film much because they said camera is not allowed inside. So I just had to stylishly film from the side. When we got there, we went there quite early, so they were still killing the cows. They've not started sampling their meat for sale. So we just hung around for some time. So the place is actually very big. The good thing about this market is that their meat is so affordable. Even meat sellers from other markets come here to buy and then go to their own market to resell at a higher price. So if you're in Lagos and you're looking for where to buy meat at a cheaper rate, this is the place for you. The name of the market is Odo Market at Ojo Barracks. If you're having occasion or maybe you want to buy for your home, I think this is one of the best place to buy meat at a very cheaper rate. They have different kind of meat: cow meat, goat meat, chicken, ram. Just name it. You find everything you need here. So they are more like wholesalers. They resell to smaller people and then end users as well. Let me just take you guys through the whole place so that you see some of the places we captured. Although I had some restriction because they didn't allow me to film some certain places. So just cut and pieces. This thing not big like Fidel.
Yeah,
Don't enter hot water. You can't see the real shape.
it's all big. Oh.
Not big anything.
What? That is the